We will now demonstrate how to use the replacement toner cartridge model number Brother tn660, which is compatible with Brother printer model MFC-L2740DW. Our first step is to gently shake the toner cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder. Then we will remove the orange protective cover. Then we will insert the toner cartridge into the carrier and be sure to lock it into place. Then we will use the cleaner and 2 or 3 times across here, and then be sure to lock this back into position. Now we will insert the toner cartridge into the printer. And lock it into place, then close the cover and do our test print. And here is our test print for the replacement toner cartridge model number Brother tn660, which is compatible with Brother printer model number MFC-L2740DW.